If you're looking to meet the Connecticut state minimum requirement and build real driving confidence at the same time and save money doing it, the 8+8 bundle is built for you. This package combines the 8-hour safe driving course with 8 hours of private driving lessons. That's the state mandated classroom requirement plus 4 2-hour one-on-one lessons behind the wheel, all bundled together and saving you $150 compared to buying them separately. In the classroom, you'll complete the state-required drug and alcohol safety program, covering defensive driving, traffic laws, mental health and road rage, and safe decision-making. The parent class is included for students ages 16 and 17. All sessions are taught live via Zoom with closed caption translation available. On the road, your 4 lessons will take you through a structured progression: parking lot practice and back roads first, then main roads, highway driving, and final comprehensive review session. Every lesson is one-on-one in a dual-controlled next street vehicle with GPS tracking and video recording. You could sign up even before your 16th birthday, but you must be 16 to start your class. A learner's permit isn't required to begin class, but you will need one before scheduling your driving lessons. For wait times, once you have your permit, adults 18 and older must wait 90 days before the road test. Teens 16 and 17 must wait 180 days. This bundle does not shorten the teen wait time. If that's a priority, look into our full driver education bundle. Connecticut requires 40 total hours of supervised driving practice before the road test. The 8 hours in this bundle count towards that total, with 32 hours remaining to complete on your own. Classes are available daily via Zoom. Driving lessons are available 7 days a week, 8 a.m. to 9 p.m., and scheduled through your student portal. We recommend spacing lessons at least 2 weeks apart. Your EDEC, Connecticut's Digital Completion Certificate, will be issued once all class hours, lessons, quizzes, and signatures are complete. Have everything done at least 5 days before your test. The next street, the easiest road to your license.